Do you need to replace the Palmrest keyboard touchpad assembly from your Dell Precision 5680? Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Next, you'll unscrew and remove the battery. Now unscrew and disconnect the LCD cable and then remove the interposer board. Then unscrew and disconnect the LCD cable bracket. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the power button cable. Now disconnect the left cooling fan, then disconnect the right cooling fan. Next, unscrew and remove the left cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove the right cooling fan. Now unscrew the Wi-Fi bracket and then disconnect the antenna cables. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the SD card circuit board cable. Then disconnect the left and right speaker cables. Now unscrew the dummy GPU card bracket. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Next, unclip the locking tab to disconnect the LED cable. Then unscrew and bend back the left LCD hinge. Now unscrew and bend back the right LCD hinge. Then separate the LCD display assembly from the Palmrest. Next, unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the bracket and power button. Next, unscrew and remove your speakers. Then unscrew and remove the SD card circuit board. The remaining piece is the Palmrest keyboard touchpad assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.